Hello, I'm Miss Ginsburg with KnowAtom, and today we're going to be reading Growing Plants. This is a student reader in Unit 5. From seed to plant, a glass building. Becky grows many kinds of plants. She grows fruits. She grows vegetables. She also grows flowers. Becky grows plants in a greenhouse. A greenhouse is a kind of building. It has transparent walls and a roof. This means we can see through them. Glass is transparent. Plastic can also be transparent. Here's a greenhouse. Plants and the sun. Greenhouses are transparent so the sun can shine through. Plants need sunlight. Leaves are parts of plants that take in sunlight and make food. Food gives plants energy. This helps them grow. Plants also need air to grow. Plants take in carbon dioxide from the air with their leaves. They release oxygen back into the air. Plants take in sunlight with their leaves. Plants and water. Plants also need water to grow. Becky waters her plants in the greenhouse. Plants take in water with their roots. Roots grow under the soil. Roots also take in minerals from the soil. Plants use minerals to build their body parts. Roots also help to hold the plant in place. Plants need air and water. Roots take in water and nutrients. How a plant grows. Most plants begin as a seed. A seed is a young plant inside a coat. The coat protects the seed. The seed stores food. The seed needs air and water. Plants need a certain temperature to grow. It cannot be too hot or too cold. With the right temperature, air, and water, the seed will begin to grow. This plant grew from a seed. It is still young. First, the seed grows roots and a stem. The stem is the part of the plant that holds the leaves and flowers in place. Food, water, and minerals move through the stem to the rest of the plant. Next, it will grow leaves. Plants can make food when they have leaves to collect sunlight. Some plants grow flowers next. The flowers make new seeds. New plants grow from the seeds. This is how plants reproduce. Each of these plants grew from a seed. Flowers make seeds. Popular lilies. Many people love lilies. Lilies are flowering plants. They are common in gardens. They are also common in bouquets. Lilies have large, colorful petals. Bees love lilies too. Lilies make nectar. Nectar is a sugary liquid. Bees eat the nectar for food. These flowers are lilies. Bees eat nectar that lilies make. Flowers make pollen. Bees have to reach into the flower to get nectar. This causes pollen to get on their bodies. Pollen is a fine powder that flowers make. Flowers need pollen to make seeds. Pollen is made in a part of the flower called the stamen. The stamen has two parts, the anther and the filament. The anther makes the pollen. The filament holds up the anther. The stamen is a part of the flower, and in the stamen, we have the anther and the filament. Making seeds. The pollen has to move from the stamens to another part of the flower called the pistil. Seeds are made in the pistil. Pistils have three parts. They have a stigma, a style, and an ovary. The stigma is at the top of the pistil. It is sticky. This is so it can trap and hold pollen. So here is the pistil, which includes the stigma, style, and ovary. Here's the pollen tube. And then the stamen has the anther and the filament. Here's the petal, the ovule, sepal, and stem. The style holds up the stigma. It has a tube shape. It connects to the ovary. The ovary holds the ovules. Ovules turn into seeds when pollen is added. This is called pollination. It is how some plants make new seeds. Bees are pollinators. They help flowers make seeds. Bees carry pollen from flower to flower. The pollen falls off onto different flowers. Seeds form. Pollen covers this bee. Well, I learned a lot reading Growing Plants, and I had fun too. I hope that you learned a lot and that you had fun also. I'll see you tomorrow with another one. Bye!